Hi, hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yes, I am good too. I'm good too. Thank you. What do you do?
I am currently doing Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science, and
Oh wow, okay.
I have just completed my second year yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yesterday was
Just
my last
yesterday.
paper. Yeah,
Oh wow, that's so good. So you're free as a bird. So when will your result come out?
I think it may be around 1 month from now.
One
After
month it
one
will
month.
take. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Any other thing that you do apart from studying? Any hobbies that
Apart
you have?
from yeah, I love to play cricket. I love to dance. I love to watch cricket. I love to do
Okay.
meditation, and
Yes,
yeah, that's all.
that's nice. That's nice. Okay, so since you are here on Flamingo, right? So I would like to know from you what are the areas where you face difficulty while speaking in English, according to you. Okay?
Yeah, I just want to improve my communication skills. I am very shy kind of person. I do not talk
Okay.
much, so I want to communicate. So that's the only
Okay.
reason I joined Clappingo, and I think it is a
Okay.
great platform to improve
Thank you.
communication.
Yes, because here you're talking to people, and that too in English, right? Because we don't know any other language. We can only talk
Yeah,
in English. Yeah. So yes, the thing is, you have to be open. Don't worry if you're making a mistake or if you are hesitating. Just take that hesitation out and speak whatever you want to. Okay.
okay,
Just be more open. That's all that is expected out of you here. All right.
okay.
Yes. So apart from taking sessions, do you do anything else for your practice?
I just stand in front of mirror and do conversation with myself. So I think it is a
Okay.
great way to improve English, and
It,
think in English is another
mhm.
great way.
Okay, that's good. You watch any web series or movies?
Currently, I am watching Friends. So I am
Oh,
in
thank God
first
you're watching
season.
Friends. You're on first
Yeah,
season. Okay.
yeah.
Who's your favorite?
My favorite is the name is Matt Lee Blank. That I love very
Joey.
much.
Joey is your favorite.
Yeah,
Okay. And among the girls,
I don't know the name. I do not remember the name, but
Rachel, Monica, Phoebe.
yeah, Monica, I like.
Okay. That's good. That's good. I'm a die-hard fan of Friends. I can watch
Okay,
Friends all day on loop. Actually, that's what I keep doing all the time. It's a great show. I love it. I can actually watch it on loop. So yes.
who is your favorite on Friends?
Actually, that's a very tough question for me because I'm in love with all six of them. And if I say one
Okay,
name, it will be like an insult to the rest. So I don't want to do that. So I love all
yeah, yeah.
all six. Yeah.
And
And you,
do
you
you
don't watch
watch?
movies?
Uh, uh, I watch Bollywood movies, Hollywood movies.
What are you currently watching for Hollywood?
Currently, 2 days ago, I watched The Man Who Knew Infinity, the story of
Okay.
Ramanujan,
All
and
right.
The Imitation Game. This kind of movies
Mm-hmm.
I like to watch. The
Okay.
biography of the great personalities.
That's very nice. That's good. Okay. And in web series, you have only watched Friends till now? I mean, that is the only thing you're
Uh,
watching currently?
yeah, in Hollywood, I only watch Friends, but
Okay.
in India, I watch many web series.
Oh, wow. Okay. So I would request to please add more and more of English ones. Okay. You're watching Friends, that's good. But you can find a variety of web series that are in English, right? Because for framing sentences, vocabulary, these things are pretty important, right?
Yeah,
I would always suggest to watch more and more of an English content. Okay?
yeah, definitely.
Yes. Any question you have, you can ask me. Then I'll brief you about the app.
Yeah, I have one question that related to psychology, human psychology, in while
Oh
we
my
are
God.
speaking.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So, whenever, like, for example, I am speaking to you right now, and
Okay.
suppose if someone comes inside my room, I would hesitate to speak. As I will not able to speak as freely as I'm talking to right now.
Okay.
So,
All right.
how to deal with that, and how to get rid of fear of judging, like I feel sometimes that people are judging me. So how to get rid of that kind of fear?
You are not the only person who thinks this way. Okay? First thing. Everybody has this fear in some place or the other in their heart, okay? That they will be judged. Alright? Even
Yeah,
me, if I'm sitting on this side of the screen, okay, even if I make a mistake, okay,
yeah,
then I will think, oh, I made a mistake. What would he be thinking about me? That she's sitting there and she made a mistake. How is she there? Okay? So it's very common. The only thing I do is I don't really care. First, if you're making a mistake, it's absolutely okay. It's natural. Okay? Everybody makes mistakes. The first thing is get this thing out of your head that it's not okay to make mistakes. Okay? It's a human element. Even if you're making a mistake, what matters is how you are carrying yourself, how confident you are. Okay? So I
right,
would say please don't focus on your mistakes. It's okay to if they are there. It's absolutely fine. Focus on your content. Okay, what you are saying. That's all that matters.
yeah,
Alright? I have
absolutely.
practiced this thing for many years. I've mastered it. Okay. I don't really care what anybody thinks about me. I just have to say what I have to say.
Yeah,
Okay? So yes, it's the best technique that you can do for yourself.
very
Alright?
nice.
Yes.
Yeah,
So see, it's very easy to judge people, right? Just sitting in the crowd is very easy to judge. But only the person who has taken the courage to be up there, only he knows how much effort he has put in. Okay? So you owe
yeah,
that to yourself. You cannot get affected with what people are saying. Okay? Stay calm,
yeah,
stay composed whenever you're trying to talk. Because what happens once you get nervous, okay? Like you are getting this feeling, oh no, I'm about to make a mistake and my sentence is about to come wrong. So all your upcoming sentences will get affected. It will start a series. One is getting affected, then the second, then the third, then the fourth, and your entire speech is affected. Okay?
right.
So if in the first place only you won't let it affect you, then everything will be okay.
Yeah,
Okay? That's my one tip for you. Try it out,
okay.
and if it has helped, let me know. If it hasn't helped you, then also let me know. Okay?
Yeah,
We'll
definitely.
try out
It
some other tips.
it
Okay?
was a great answer. Yeah, I really appreciate this.
No, no, please, please. It's absolutely okay. Any other question you have of this sort?
No, only this question I have.
Yes. I tell people whatever I've experienced and I have tried, and if it has worked for me, then I definitely think it will help for others as well.
Yeah, because the
Okay?
human brain is same for everyone. Like functionality of
Yes,
human brain is same.
same.
So
Right.
yeah,
Just the personalities change, right? But the way of working is pretty much the same.
way of working is exactly same.
Yes. Okay? So don't worry about it. It's absolutely cool and you speak pretty well. I don't think you should be worried about your speech.
Yeah,
Okay? You speak pretty well. Just stay confident because of your nervousness. You will end up making a mistake there where you
yeah.
won't. Okay? Where you wouldn't actually. This is a big thing. Alright? Okay.
Okay.
So if you are okay, I would like to brief you about the app. Okay, so that you are also more clear about it, how exactly
Yeah.
Flamingo works. Okay.
Hmm.
There'll be two subscriptions, one for 15 minutes, other for 25. Whichever subscription you take, the aim is for the maximum duration you will talk, right? Because we have to keep you talking. Okay.
Yeah.
Like you said, I hesitate. So that hesitation will go away once you are into a habit of talking more and more. Okay.
Yeah.
You know there are a variety of speakers, right? You will talk with different speakers on your different sessions. So this way you'll be exploring different personalities, right? You'll know how to deal with them. So your confidence will be there. Okay. It will increase as you'll move on with your session.
Okay.
Okay. Any random topic we'll pick and we'll try to have a conversation. It's no big deal. If you want to have a different topic, you can choose on your own. All right.
All right.
This is how things work over here. Any doubts, please feel free to ask.
There is no such kind of doubt.
Okay.
And can you suggest me any habit by which I can improve my communication skills?
For your communication part, do you get a chance to talk to anybody in English in your surroundings?
Usually not. I have one friend only to whom I talk, but
Okay.
in India, we have a mentality like whenever there is a group of friends, and if someone speak English in front of them, they started thinking that this person is
Show
trying to be
off.
over smart, show off. So such kind of mentality,
Yes.
just I had such kind of mentality.
Yeah. It's very common. You know
Yeah, it's
how
very common.
dual-minded people we have in this country. They want us to know the language, but they don't want us to talk in that language. But we should know how to
Yeah.
talk. Okay?
Yes.
So it's everywhere. Not just with you, it's with everyone and it's everywhere. Okay? So it's fine. If you're not getting a partner to talk in English, okay, try to find a different one. And the one who is as passionate as you are towards learning the language. Because then only it will become a two-way thing. Okay? If the other person is not bothered, then he won't give you that much output.
Yeah.
Okay? So it's fine. If they don't want to talk, let it be. Talk in whatever language they want because they're your friends. It's absolutely cool. Try to find somebody else. Okay? If not,
Yeah.
then we are sitting here. We will talk to you in English only because no other language here. Okay? So it's just that you
Yeah.
have to create an environment on your own. In India,
Sure.
we all are from Indian families. We won't get that environment, that's for sure. Okay? So that is
Yeah.
why something is required. Read books, read as many books you can, read newspapers, watch videos, web series, movies. Keep yourself surrounded. Okay? This will definitely help. Even if you don't find a person, these things will help.
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay? Yeah. Any other thing you want to ask?
And what are your hobbies? Like what you like to do apart from watching Friends and web series?
First is I'm a foodie, okay? So I love to eat. Give me food
Yeah.
and that will become my hobby, okay? First thing is that. Second is I talk a lot. So I love to talk. That's why I'm here in the first place. Second. And third is reading books, novels.
Novels. Okay. And
Three.
any
It's
sports? Any sports you play?
any sport.
Yeah.
Not really. Actually, I don't like sports, so I'm not into sports at all. But yeah, I've played all, but now I'm not playing anything. Back in school, when I was in school, so I used to play football, or sorry, football is too strong a word. No, not football, basketball.
Basketball.
I
Yeah.
played basketball, I've played badminton, I was part of swimming also. So yeah, I've done these things, but now I'm completely cut off. I don't do anything. That sounds so
Yeah.
weird. You are into sports, right? Cricket?
Yeah. I love cricket very much.